Hello and welcome to Project RC. Today we have another unboxing. What? Get out of here. Well, right. So here we go. This is a 12 scale buggy for me to run on the track. So you are familiar with the Relaro X12S and the ZD Racing BX12. So this is the third twin. This is the Jiusi Racing WB12 Pro. So I'm expecting this to be a clone of the Relaro X12S. Something funny about Jiusi. I went to Google Translator to see how to pronounce it, and I found out something. Jiusi means something in English or in Portuguese. So let's see. Get out. So, not this one, sorry. So I had this Jiusi here, and in English,
just die.
It means just die.
Jiusi.
Jiusi.
Just die.
So this is it. This is the unboxing of the
Just die.
WB12 Pro.
Just die. Just die. Just die. Jiusi. Jiusi. Jiusi.
Okay, enough of that. So the Just Die W12 Pro, I bought it this Sunday, and today is Friday. So in the box, let me, sorry about the noises and the outside noises too, because there is a bike meeting occurring, so you may hear loud noises from outside. Those are the bikes running around. So in here we have an adapter and all the paperwork and all the things, all the stickers for the car. In here you have the wing, and the charger, and also these are the mounts for the wing, and you have the cord for the charger. Very nice. In here, I love this. And this is the Unbo Racing radio. I'm doing this one-handed because I am too lazy to put the head thing with the GoPro. So this is the radio that comes with it. This is Unbo RC radio. You know what will going to happen. I have the DDF 350, 335, and I will be using this instead of that. This is a very nice radio, guys. Should look to get one of these. So I already have the Maverick running on this. I have the MN82 running in here, and I will have the Just Die, I will stop calling that, the Jiusi Racing WB12 on there. But this is a very nice radio, as you can see. If I'm shaking, it's because of that. I hate that drink, but it tastes very nice. It's peach. I love peach. How do you open this? With one-handed? I cannot. Wait a minute. I will put this the GoPro on my head and we'll be nice. I forgot to press record. So there goes the unboxing video. Nice. On that unboxing you could have seen, if I pressed record, the story about the 3 batteries. Now that story is lost because it's a long story. I was talking about the Unbo RC radio, and that I have the DDF 350, and I will be replacing my cheap plastic wheel with the rubber wheel. I was talking about the colors. I love the colors of this color scheme of this buggy. It's one of the reasons I got this one. The other reason was the cheaper version of the 3, because this is a copy of the Relarlo, the buggy. And originally I was getting that one, but the order failed, and then I got this one. But I got this one with the 2 batteries, and then the order was delayed, and I contacted the dealer, and they said, and they were very, very honest, and I waited for a few more hours, and then the car arrived. And then I checked out the website, and the car was cheaper with the 3 battery version. So I called them out, and they said, sure, we'll send you the 3 batteries. And here they are, the car with the 3 batteries. Long story short. Now the next clip will be me showing off all the things that comes in the box. Okay, back on the handheld, on the tripod, so you can see I have applied the stickerage, and I didn't put all of them because I like the colors. I like to see the colors. So in the bag, in the box, I mean, it comes with a speed pinion and a spare clip, 2 zip ties, 2 double-sided pads, a T-wrench, a tire wrench for the tires, 3 Allen keys. The charger is a very nice one. It's a very nice charger, so I can charge them one in there, and another one in the other charger I have. So now let's plug a battery so we can see how it sounds, and then we go race it. What are you doing there? Okay, let's put the battery on. There, plugged in. Now let's turn the radio on and turn the car on. Oh. Hey, it's a fast boy. Now let's see how it handles the track. And here we are at the track, guys, and let me tell you, it looks awesome in the track. This little guy looks beautiful, and it's just the right side, 112. This track was made for 110 and 112 cars. This is the first 112 we are testing in this track. Let's hope it will be a good test, I hope. Sorry about the wind. It's a very windy day today, and that's why I didn't bring the helicopters with me, because I could not fly them in this. Let's say hello to Tiki. She's there trying to get some attention. I won't get her out of there because she's a pain in the butt and she will cry all day long. Hello, Tiki. Don't worry, I will take her out and let her run around later on the day. Not right now, because I need the track. I do not want to be worrying about the little dog loose on the track. Okay, let's put you in the head and try the Just Die, I mean the Jiusi WB12 Pro. Now let's hope this captures all the action. Okay, it's good. Here is the remote. As you saw, well, it's the Unbo RC. I will test the first run with the original radio. It's on. Okay, let's see. I will try it first in 75, because you know it's my very, as you can see, didn't touch the dirt before. Let me just turn it on. This is very first time running. I am stupid. I need to plug it in first. Nice. Oh, and there it goes. Raging on. It's already binded. Oh man, this looks so good on the track. I am so excited. I can't even put the pins on. And this is real life for you guys. I am not nervous. I am a grown-ass man. I just camera shy. Okay, it's ready. Okay, it's ready. Let's go. First. Oh my God. Feisty boy. Let's not destroy my friend's Mitsubishi Pini. There she is. The first jump was a very unfortunate jump. Doesn't need any help. This is the problem. This is the problem we have with all our... Let me just relax a little bit. You know this car has more in it. I am just a shit driver. I'm warming up as I go. But I should let my friend try this. It's making a funny buzzing noise. What's buzzing, brother? Already some debris inside, causing me grief. Ah, it's this little pieces. It was this all along. A pine tree. And I thought it was. Okay, moving along. Oh, it was a very nice, beautiful jump. Oh, that corner. In that corner. So we have the mirror there, as you can see. So you don't lose track of the car. Ah! That was not me screaming. And mind you guys, this is 75%. If I put it on 100, I couldn't. Ah. There goes the battery. Screaming. Can you hear him? He's crying. He's crying. hard to get these pins. It's not very hot. Well, the battery, this one is done. Let's turn out the radio too. Okay. All right. Oh well, these batteries, they go for a long time. I am surprised this is still the same battery that I put in the car when I arrived here 2-3 hours ago. Yes, I was fooling around with the car, just taking shots and trying to make some beauty shots to the channel. And yes, it went for a long time, this battery. So I got the three battery pack order, and I think 2 batteries is enough, because well, I was racing most of the afternoon and I was almost bored with this. Almost no, I took out some time to give it a rest, and let's just leave it cool off for a little bit, and let's see what's next. All right, let's give it a clean. I've been meaning to show you this little thing. Makes wonders on the track. Take out the battery pack. And just like that, looks brand new again. Now on the underside of the shell, I've placed a reinforced tape on the back side, on the front. I really need to put them on the sides too, because it's starting to wear on the sides from rubbing. Right there, you can see there and there. The top side held up. We had a few bumps, as you could see. And the front side already has some battle scars. This is a nice little thing. So it comes, you already saw, with the 3 packs. I spent one and almost got bored. So if you get the two pack one, it's a nice deal. What do I think about this little car? It was my first time trying this little platform. I'm enjoying it. I bought the Jiusi because in my research online I thought about the Relarlo, and it comes with less equipment. Only the difference with the Relarlo one is the ESC. It comes with a 45 amp. This is 35. All of the rest, it's just the same. So it's just a matter of personal choice. If you like blue, I like this the colors in this one. It's just like the Rolaro on the ZD Racing. This comes with some already out of the box with some front shock protection, as you could see, with the rear bumper that the other two don't have. I find this very nice. On the underside, some scraping, because of course it won't be mint forever. You have set screws there to set the ride height in there, as you can see. You have anti-roll bar back and front, so it handles very nice. I didn't run this on tarmac because I'll be mostly running this on our track and it's dirt, so no point me running this on tarmac. There are already some videos of these going 150 kilometers an hour with of course a lot of transforming. It is a very nice track car and a speed car. So if you want to buy this and change it to a speed car, you can do it. And one thing I really like on this car is the way it fits your hand. You can grab this, it feels chunky, feels heavy, feels nice on the hand. And if you notice, the fitment with the body on the chassis, it's very plush. Some dirt and stones get in there, but not as many as the Maverick. It's a very nice big car, so I'm enjoying it very much, and I will be enjoying it for a long time. That's it, the Jiusi WB12 Pro. Let me know in the comments, what do you think about this little specimen of a truck, of a buggy? I mean, I like it very much. I will be running it often here in the track. If you guys like the little car and the video, leave a like down below, subscribe, and see you in the next video.
Just die. Just die. Just die. Jiusi. Jiusi. Jiusi.